And then this is from Bite Box. Pencil. Oh, wow. Scam. This is the only just 12 pieces. 0.3, just 12 pieces each container. And this one, so many. And these are the pens. And the pens with 12 pieces. Lead plugs. Wow, this is cool. 0.5 to 1.3. What's the 0.3 here? 2, 3, 0.3. So these are the ones I got. Only 12 pieces per container. Oh, okay. I thought it's full. So this is not free. These are separate buys. I'm not happy because I thought it's full. Just 12 pieces. Maybe I just overlooked the whatever. And this, I will use this for beads and the accessories. No, this is nice and it's transparent. Thank you so much for this. Kanina nga ito galing. This is from Bite Box, Bulacan. Thank you. But I am not happy with the lids. Thank you still.